iPhone
14 Pro.
Wow,
That
that's
glass
nice.
replacement.
Man, the back
Done
is really
with laser
bulky.
technology.
Okay, now you want to use the 3D machine. I've already locked it up. Then with the back glass. Man, this lens. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, it looks a lot more transparent. Okay, now using a little knife to move it. That's nice. Okay, gently. The phone is really expensive. Okay, I'm moving it.
Buy your cheapest data plan from Charles Sub. They sell the cheapest data in Africa.
Small, you don't spoil it. Okay, it looks like a professional, so it's gonna do it well. Okay, they get a new back glass. Put it on, put some glue. Okay, it's not, you didn't really put any glue, but this will be okay.